back to the garage, putting it all back together. I'm done with all the maintenance that I wanted to do. Then I find that this turn signal, the left-hand turn signal in the front is not working. It works and then sometimes it doesn't work. Come to find out, the socket's all destroyed. So, let's see if I can repair this somehow. Don't know what I can really do here. The wires are all out. So, I'm not sure how I can finagle this. I wonder if I can zip tie that together. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to zip tie these terminals in place, or attempt to anyways. Let's just see if it works. Alright, so that'll do. That'll hold it in place. It's working well until I can get some aftermarket blinkers to replace these. But she'll pass inspection with that, hopefully. Last but not least, I'm going to put the brackets back on for the bags. I already painted them up. They look pretty nice. Now this is the screw down here that was missing. I ended up finding a replacement screw that I had. So let me get this started. Okay. Now let's get the other side in. That's good. What can I say, guys and gals? This bike is complete, and as far as I'm concerned, she's ready to ride. So anyway, thanks for being here. I wish you all the best. Be safe out there on the roads, and look forward to getting out there on some dirt and having a good time. All right, you all. God bless. Catch you next time.